Cambodia, and here I am at this amazing temple, and I want to tell you why I'm here. So a few years ago I had this lovely client, Gayle, in New Zealand, and she was living in Cambodia, and she said, come and visit me, I'd love to show you Cambodia. And a few years later, here I am, and we're traveling around checking out amazing sites, and so we're going to show you some beautiful places today. But better than the sites, we're going to share with you Gayle's amazing story. So thank you, Gayle.
That's all right. Now, welcome
Lovely to see you here. It is
That's
exciting.
awesome. I didn't think this would ever happen, but it has, so it's really cool. Hi, everybody. My name's Gayle. 10 years ago, I had a horrific car accident. And for 6.5 years of that, I lived with chronic pain. I spent a year and a half watching Mel. A year and a half? I'm like, why would I do that now? I'm thinking I so should have jumped in straight away. But I was ready, and Mel did this amazing 3-day course of all medication after day 1. After day 3, wow, I was out there pulling weeds out of the garden, which I hadn't been able to do. So, as we were going around the temples, Mel, it just keeps coming back to me. There's so many ruins, and that's what I felt like for 6.5 years. I felt ruined. But then you see that, and I also feel up on top of the world for the last almost 4 years. It's been life-changing. Not only have I stopped the chronic pain, I'm stronger in myself. And instead of every time I might be a little stressed or something, and I remember to drop my shoulders and hey, I'm all back on track. So, no, Mel, I just can't thank you enough.
Oh.
You're my lifesaver.
Oh, that's wonderful. I've got prickly eyes. So what's your best words of advice to someone who is like you? They're following my stories, my posts, they're watching, they're like, oh, curious but don't know quite what to do. What's your words of advice?
Contact Mel. Talk to her. It's like, my journey was very hard. The doctors didn't know what was wrong with me. ACC said I was abusing the system. The pain medication never worked from day 1 because I actually can't take it.
So how bad did things get?
From a scale of 1 to 10, 11.
Yeah.
For 3.5 years I couldn't even drive, and even then it was painful to drive.
Yeah.
I had 6.5 years of being a ruin. You know, it really was a downward slide.
And you were telling me last night that Gayle was saying that she, with all the painkillers she was on, she then, wasn't able to eat and got down to...
Yeah, I was throwing up every day for 8 months, and the doctors kept telling me, take that pain medicine, it'll work. I got down to 30.8 kilos.
Yeah, so you were still in pain, and yet you're now throwing up every day and 30 kilos.
And once again, actually wasting away because I'd lost over 20% of my body weight.
Yeah.
So, it's just been an amazing journey with Mel. Very grateful. It is only a very short, simple course. I mean, you couldn't believe it's so simple. And I waited a year and a half to do it. But if you are desperate, if you really want help, pick up that phone, talk to Mel, and go for it. Because I spent over $150,000 trying to get me well. And for $1,500 in 3 days, I'm back.
And I know on Gayle's application form, what she really wanted to be able to do was go dodgem car riding with the grandchildren. And how soon did you ride dodgems?
That was amazing. Within 3 weeks, I went over to Dreamworld with my 2 granddaughters, and one was so upset a couple of years earlier I couldn't do dodgems. We did it 5 times, and being bumped around, I was going, yes, 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 because I didn't think I'd ever be able to do that again. There was a lot of things I didn't think I'd be able to do again. But Mel gave me back my life, and, well, we both did because
Yeah, you did the
you've
work.
got to do the work.
Yeah.
Mel gives you the tools,
Yeah, and Gayle did the work.
and together
Yeah.
we made
And
it.
here we are. Let's go and climb up there.
Let's do it.
Look at Gayle go. Woohoo! Oh yeah. She's still going. Check that out. Oh, should be well. Woohoo! This was definitely worth the walk in the rain. Woohoo! Singing in the rain.